awning on the front of our house, and it went over the hill. I don't even know where it went. Come on, guys. Oh my. I'll go get her thing if I can get my goat up. This windstorm is tearing up our home, and well, it was going to be livelihood. Like, we hadn't finished out that outhouse, and now it is completely destroyed. There's our beautifully done front overhang that we have been so proud of. And this tree went down. Thankfully, yeah. Thankfully, it blew the opposite direction of my animals. Got that strap down. I saw my roof blowing off. This is where my awning was, and it ripped the ratchet strap that we had up there. Now we have an awning that used to be over that trailer, and it's blown there. So it was anchored. We had some simple anchors that weren't really sturdy, but it's walking its way down our other driveway. You can see that the wind has not stopped long enough to even let the leaves stop being attached to the fences. This is where it was parked, where all that gravel is flat. You can see it bent it. So that was covering my trailer, which is, it leaks a little bit, and I have hay in it, and it moved all the way up there. Yeah, thank God. Your turkey decoy is. The door is back open on the porta potty.
Go down there, ratchet strap.
Yeah, we'll do that. We're up here checking. Blew our bench over. A bunch of other things are blown over up here. Huh, probably one of the most secure structures here.
All right, they're locked good now.
All right.
Ready.
Yeah, I want to move this piece of wood on top of that metal. This is really weird, I think. So I had this entire bottom filled very, very thick with hay, straw, for when it got cold. Dozer likes to hang out here. So it was thick with straw. And it blew it out of the building and just scattered it all around back in there. It's through the fence and just scattered around like mulch. And my other hay that I did have covered down here, my extra hay, is now no longer straw that I had covered up with a tarp and covered under that awning. The awning, like I said, has blown about 30 feet. It used to cover my enclosed trailer down there. That enclosed trailer has got hay in it, actual feed hay, and it leaks. So that was my way of keeping it leak free. So now that hay is getting ruined. That straw that's down there is getting ruined. All money I don't have to replace things like that.